Nigeria court wey be Supreme Court e don shocktalize the world today. E say that their court never grow. E say their court never grow to justify that the way wey they take go carry Nnamdi Kanu. E say na bad thing. Na wetin the Supreme Court talk. Na yes, na wetin they talk. Yeah, my people. As that one dey happen o, Sowore wey try to go make go witness wetin dey happen. No be small gbos wey im get down with those people wey dey call DSS. No be small thing o. This na wetin happen today. Don't worry, we will show una the videos. Yeah, my people, let's go and find out how this thing take happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. Today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Let's quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. Make sure say you follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Yeah, my people, they say that the Supreme Court today don't come outside. They come talk say we will play you the video. Make you calm down, listen. You go understand this video we want play you now. They say that their judiciary system, Nigeria court never grow like that. To say that the way they take go carry Nnamdi Kanu, he say nah this thing. Later, they go still twist the matter again. Come talk say, hey, no good though, the way they take on carry. See the country where we dey inside. May you watch this video where I want play you right now. May you understand wetin they go on, wetin they talk today. Watch the video.
On a live from the Supreme Court premises for Abuja, Nigeria capital, where the Supreme Court just give judgment between the matter between federal government and Nnamdi Kanu. And I know say Nnamdi Kanu matter don dey for court since 2021. It starts from the Federal High Court, from there to the Appeal Court, then from there it can land for the Supreme Court. And I want just give a summary of wetin happen for court so far. Well, the people body for here, body no sweet them. Everybody just dey sad. They just dey vex. They waka comot. They talk about the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu. We come court today with plenty expectations. Say judgment go in their favor, but unfortunately, it no go in their favor. Sake of say the Supreme Court talk say Nnamdi Kanu will continue to face trial. Make I just give some of the things where the panel of judges agree on, where them read for court today. And I remember say before this matter come the Supreme Court, it be done land for the Court of Appeal, where the panel of judges for Court of Appeal been talk say sake of the way where then take bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria, and where then describe as abduction, kidnapping, where no follow and the normal legal process where then they carry and bring people from abroad where they allege say commit crime. Sake of the way where them bring them, say court no even get any basis to hear the matter, and Nnamdi Kanu no even supposed to stand trial. And I remember say the Appeal Court talk say make Nnamdi Kanu no stand trial at all. But the Supreme Court can't talk say Nnamdi Kanu trial go continue. And then talk say even though they agree with within the Court of Appeal talk, the Supreme Court agree say the process where then take carry Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria no dey normal. Say it dey likely to kidnap and abduction with, and it no dey okay. This one are the extrajudicial procedure where they no follow well. So the court talk say they no agree with wetin Supreme Court talk, sake of say the way where they bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria they illegal. They no follow the right procedure. But again, they talk say that one where the judges for the Appeal Court talk na international law, na be that, and they no cite any legislation for Nigeria where talk say person where they allege say commit crime, say the way where they take bring them in matter whether the person go stand trial or not. Supreme Court say yes, so they agree, say the way where they take bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria na they illegal, na illegality. But even though the process where they take bring them they illegal, that one no means say in no go face a trial. And the Supreme Court the Supreme Court talk say as far as Nigeria they consign the appeal court no cite any legislation wey talk say make person wey they arrest illegally no stand trial. They talk say as far as the Nigeria position for law they consigned, anybody wey dem suspect or wey get reasonable thing wey him do wey be say dem suspect am as criminal or as crime, whether dem go kidnap am for house o, whether dem bring down him house o, the person go still face trial. But dem talk say make Nigeria also on their part try to follow the rule of law. Say this thing wey dem do Nnamdi Kanu, the way dem take bring am come Nigeria, make dem no do am again. Say the thing no good well. E no follow law, e no follow procedure. But even as they don't talk that one, the trial go still continue from the Federal High Court where they stop. So the summary of the matter be say Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue, and the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, where Kanu Agabi, SAN, the lead, beg court, say I beg, and they no get wetin they go do again, but then they beg court say make the trial process happen sharp, make them speed up the process. Say it don't take when Nnamdi Kanu dey detention with all this back and forth where then they go all this way. So as court don't talk say make the trial continue, then they beg them make the case happen sharp. So the summary of the matter be say they allow the appeal and dismiss the cross appeal. And I remember say the appeal and cross appeal matter now when the appeal court say make them no try Nnamdi Kanu again, now federal government can go appeal to the Supreme Court. So country people now so the matter be court say the way they take bring Nnamdi Kanu no make sense, it no follow legal process. Yes, they no do well, but that one no mean say the trial will stop because of the way they take arrest and bring and come to Nigeria. They also talk say that one na international law, but for Nigeria law never mature to that stage where we say and the way they take arrest person will stop the trial of the person whether he commit crime or not. So country people, now the long and short of the matter be this: Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue. And we get plenty to read for our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our different social media handle. The full story of what happened for court today, they there. We just say make we explain to country people as it take happen for court.
Yeah, my people, she don't hear am abi. I hope say this video you understand everything where they talk for inside court today. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen, Sowore, that man, you know they give this Nigeria DSS and all of them. Sowore know they give them chance and talk. See what he do today. Tell them say he go pass. They say he no go pass. Mo play the video for you, may you watch. May understand what happened between Sowore and police people today.
Why would you say no access for Sowore? Which order? Who gave you the order? Who gave you the order? Don't. Who gave you the order that I should not have access to the?
You don't camera us there.
What? Who gave you the order? I want to call somebody. No.
Don't camera us there. I will beg you.
Organize yourself.
Why are you cameraing?
Organize yourself.
Now you supposed to behave yourself.
Organize yourself.
Turn this bottle.
Organize yourself.
Oh yeah. Move.
Organize yourself. Why would you want to take my phone? What do you want to take my phone for?
Come back, do your work.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just returning from the Supreme Court of Nigeria, where there was supposed to be a ruling today regarding the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu, that's the leader of Biafrans, who has been in detention, illegal detention in Nigeria after he was extraordinarily renditioned from Kenya almost 2.5 years ago. And it's so shameful that the Nigerian security services mounted checkpoints at the entrance of the Supreme Court. Twice I tried to enter the Supreme Court through different gates. They refused. Calm down.
Revise back. This is the judge's law. I beg revise back.
Who is the judge? The judge is not.
Who is the judges?
Who is the judges?
We are saying who is the judges?
Yes.
Who is the judges?
Is it a human being?
Reverse back.
Just relax.
Just reverse back. He said, who is the judges? Reverse back.
They made it clear that there's an order from above, as usual, that said I cannot attend to this ruling. We are waiting, and I just worry that he may not get justice because this is a very early day or early morning sign that they might have something up their sleeves. But I hope I'm wrong for the first time today. But regardless of what they do, Kanu must be free. He must be granted his freedom because he's not a criminal. And we know who the criminals are in this country. They're the ones running the country, sadly. So that's a report from the Supreme Court this morning.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, say you don't hear am. You don't hear the matter what happens today for inside Supreme Court. Those people where they for above, where they give that order. How many age? How old are you, Oga? That is what I'm asking you. Madam, how old are you? Justice Bitayako, how old are you? Supreme Court judge, whatever. How old are you people? You people have the small time. small take time. Una go jackpot for this place where would they live, where we call Earth. She una know abi. Me una keep on they do what una they do. The God of karma is on the way. Yeah, my people. Now so it take me today. Finally, our heart they heavy. For now watch our voice for previous video and I know say we not get joy today. But I promise Nigeria that today action will determine for inside the fate we will get for inside this country where we call Nigeria. Don't worry. They say our people they do parable for Igbo. They so full but you won't go oshi or full but you won't go nwe ulo. Na so it be. My people share this video. You get why.